got this lawnmower 2 years ago. I've only used it once. I wasn't smart enough. I didn't know that you can leave gas in your lawnmower. It's a gas lawnmower. So I'm gonna try to start it. Probably will not start, and I'm gonna need to clean the carb. Before doing that, I'll have to drain all the gas. So let me try to start it. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not working. If you take a closer look, I have so much gas in here. Come on. So I'll need to drain all of that gas. So in order to drain the gas from the lawnmower, I'm using this little pump device that I got from Lowe's. It's pretty cheap. It's probably like 10-15 bucks. But yeah, as you do it.
Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is shut off the fuel valve. That will prevent fuel from going into the engine while you're working on the lawnmower. The next thing is you're gonna need to take the air filter. Once that's done, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter bolt so you can take off the 10 millimeter screws. I prefer to use pliers just to loosen some of the wire, and that will also be used to like disconnect the fuel line from the carburetor. Yeah, you just blow it a little bit and there you go, it's off. It's also very important to make sure that you drain out the leftover fuel in the line after you done separating the whole fuel line from the carburetor. You're gonna need a 10 millimeter bolt again to start dismantling the carburetor before you can clean it up. Once that's done, pay attention. There's a very tiny bolt that you need to pay attention and take it out. Keep it in a safe place. I recommend that. Take the float out, and from there you need like a Phillips screwdriver. It's really tough in there to find the right spot to remove like the little pieces in there, which is part of the cleaning. So use a Phillips screwdriver, and once you pull that out, you can begin your cleaning process. If you like the video so far, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button and help the channel grow. I appreciate you. That's the cab cleaner that I chose. There's nothing special about it. It was just the closest to the closest on the shelf where my arm could reach, so I just picked it up. And at this point, all you need to do is just clean every little piece of the equipment that you kind of like dismantle. Just clean everything. I pretty much just used their cab cleaner, and every little hole on the carburetor itself was cleaned up. I just flush every dirt until I was satisfied. Then I started putting everything back together. When you're putting in the little components together, the longer piece goes in first and the flat side stays up. Make sure that you put the little piece, it should be flat side down. And you're gonna need your screwdriver again to make sure that you are able to fasten it tight as it was before. Use your little bolt to secure the float in place,